We will be taking a look at how to turn on a lock screen shortcut for the Snapchat camera on your Android phone. If you want to add a quick shortcut to Snapchat's camera on your phone, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. And if you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. So to get started, what you want to do is actually open up your Snapchat app and jump into the settings. Once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for a setting called lock screen shortcut, which is usually below notifications and above session management. So from there, what you want to do is hit lock screen shortcut. And then as you can see, it will allow you to quickly open the Snapchat camera by swiping up from the Snapchat icon on your lock screen. And you can simply toggle it on with the lock switch there. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add a Snapchat lock screen camera shortcut on your smartphone for Android. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.